Guys, I'm in the crawl space with a familiar furnace. Added the zone controls to it. Wasn't keeping up last night when it was cold outside. So I'm taking a look at it. We have a 68.4 degree return and 106 supply. So we have about almost 40 degrees, coming up to 40 degrees. We'll probably be there in just a few minutes. So the temperature spread is not bad. But it's just not warming up enough on these cold nights. Now we have an outside air on the back. So I'm going to try shutting that outside air down and see if we get any better heating out of it, since it's bringing in really cold air. And if it can't handle it, we're going to have to shut it down and put a temperature control on it. So what I did was I blocked off the outside air. That really didn't change much. It's just a 4-inch duct anyway. And half of it was blocked off. It has sort of a butterfly damper on it. And an old wasp nest was actually blocking most of it already. So it didn't matter much. What I'm doing now is last year and the year before, when the system was in place, the kitchen was being renovated, and it's still being renovated, but before, I believe the thermostat was shut down in there. There was 3 zones and they were shut down. So what I'm doing is I'm having them shut down the kitchen zone now to see what happens as far as our discharge temperature, because that means we're conditioning about 2/3 of the area we were at before. What I think is that this machine is undersized. We have a 70,000 BTU furnace. I'm not quite sure what the square footage is here, but this is an old farmhouse, very drafty, original windows. So there's some issues there, I think. So I'm letting it run for a little bit with just 2 zones open, because the lady said she was used to seeing or feeling air that was warmer. And I'm thinking that's what was happening when only 2 zones were running. The air was much warmer, and that's what she's used to. So I'm going to keep it going for a few minutes. Our gas pressure is fine. It's 10.37 right now, so gas pressure is not too low. I was concerned that maybe the gas pressure was low or the tank outside was low, but it's just fine. It's propane, so we'll see what happens.
Bleed for my money, day in and day out. I try to give you the things you deserve, but I'm just a college dropout who gives his weeks to break the mean, falls in the tide line, is washed out to sea.